Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Aviator Speaks. In this video, we will discuss about the flight controls of aircraft. In previous video, we study about the three axes of control of aircraft: normal axis, longitudinal axis, and lateral axis. They are different control surface through which aircraft can be controlled. There are four methods of controlling the flight. First, manually, then electric, pneumatic, and hydraulically. Manual controls are subdivided into power operated and power assisted. What is pneumatic system of an aircraft? Pneumatic system of an aircraft is a system in which pressurized air is used to move the different control surfaces. In aircraft, there are different parts which can be moved with pneumatic components. They used pressurized water instead of air. Elevator, ailerons, rudders, and flaps are the components which use the pneumatics or hydraulics. How aircraft is manually controlled. A manual flight control system consists of such mechanical parts such as push rods, tension cables, pulleys, counterweights, and chains to transmit the force applied from the cockpit directly to the control surface. Fly-by-wire system. As time changes, fly-by-wire introduced and replaced the manual flight controls. In this system, the electronic signals are transmitted by wires. The slide force is applied from the cockpit. Computer determines it and give response. Sometimes commands are input to stabilize the aircraft. This reduces the pilot workload. Power assisted and power operated. Power assisted is the movement of control column will move both the flying controls and pilot valve. It is reversible controls. Power operated, the movement of the control column only moves the pilot valve. It is irreversible controls. What are reversible controls? Reversible is when there is a direct linkage from controls to control services with the means of cable linkages, such as in light aircraft up to an MD-80. Irreversible is when there is a hydraulic power control unit in the way. It can be mechanical or fly-by-wire. Such controls need an artificial field to relay how much force is applied. Power assisted controls. A system in which force is needed to move the surface, although the force is partially of pilot and it is supplemented by electric, hydraulic, or pneumatic means. In power assisted failure of flight, the pilot will have faced difficulty in controlling the aircraft. This system is used in aircraft when it is introduced and it is no longer in use.